Alright, hey YouTube. I got myself a new camera. I'm kind of excited to open this. So, while I open that, the purpose of this premiere video is I wanted to try out that premiere thing that YouTube offers. I guess it's like a preview to a video coming up is what you're supposed to use it for. And so I will use it for that as well. But I'm going to also go through this camera real quick, just get it opened up, and then we will preview the videos that I have coming. This is the Yeelight action camera. That thing is puny, which is really good actually, because the camera you guys are on now is so big and heavy, it's so big, bulky, and heavy that I have trouble with the mount and the stand that it's on, keeping the camera from flopping around. You guys can thank one of your fellow subscribers. The reason I say that is one of you guys, for the sake of the Displacement on Demand video and saving them a ton of money, sent me $50. And that was greatly appreciated. Alright, you guys are in the Yee camera. There is the Nikon I was using. See how much of a mess the shop is now. Beautiful. Let's shut this turd off. Guess what I have in the shop right now? I have a Suburban with Displacement on Demand, and I am fixing the Displacement on Demand. This is also a YouTube subscriber, so thank you for that. That video will be coming out very soon. Oh, you guys probably can't see very well. Let's see. Tell me if this changes it. Here we go. Ugh. There's a clear lens on there. See if that helps. Alright, we are in my dungeon here. You can see there's a bit of electronics going on. So what we have is we have some simple power supply stuff. This is the power supply that I'm running right now. You can see I have a light down here. It's blinking kind of goofy, right? There's a reason for that. Now if you look at the waveform here, now I don't have the scaling correct yet, so this is 200 millisecond per division. I still have to adjust some things, but what I am working on for you guys, and what I'm going to do is not only am I going to show you how to build your own injector driver via the scratch hard way. I'll give you a quick overview of that, but my video is going to be, I ordered some parts to do an easy way of building a very cheap injector driver. So I am going to offer a cheap injector driver, as in one that you build yourself that's very easy to build, but it's not going to resemble this pattern. So because it doesn't resemble that pattern, it's going to be more of a 50% duty cycle. But I'm going to do one where I have like a 20 and an 80% duty cycle is my goal. And so either that or 30 and 70. But I'm going to try and get a actual decent duty cycle going on with a injector driver, and then build a more expensive, better version, but it requires more parts to do so and more customization. But that can be used as a coil driver as well. I had one of the subscribers, one of you guys, suggest that I show the injector driver and how it's made. So that is what I'm going to do. So if you guys want to see things that I have and you want to know how to do it yourself, just ask. That's all you got to do. Ask. I will try my best to get to it, get it done. And yeah, so stay tuned. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get your notifications and know when that video comes out for the injector driver and coil driver. I'm going to display an injector being tested. In fact, I could do it. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I can get it to fire right now. I can't do the coil because right now the problem is that it's technically, you can see it on the light here, it's on more than it's off. I have to add another component so that it makes it the opposite, so it's off more than it's on. That's my ultimate goal here. So I have that part on order, and I'll have that in the next few days. Once I get it, I'll finish this project, get it taken care of, and then you guys will be well on your way to seeing a video from me involving a injector driver. Stay tuned and enjoy.